Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn spotlighting some of my contacts and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. And today the person I want to spotlight is Christy Caplan. Christy is an editor, writer, blogger, and master gardener from Washougal, Washington, and she was recommended by my last spotlight, animal communicator Ute Luppertz, because Ute said that Christy is a very interesting person. So this is what Christy has to say about herself. She says, I work with national publications, editors, trades, brands, and veterinary experts on stories that educate pet owners and chicken keepers. Now, I'm just getting to know Christy here on LinkedIn, and I have been quite impressed by her writing skills and her animal knowledge. You can find her blog at wagandcluck.com. She writes on topics like how to visualize and create a garden for people who keep chickens, special toys and apparel for dogs, where to take your dog for field trials and hikes, and also nutrition, supplements, and acupuncture for your canine family members. So if you keep chickens, want advice from a master gardener, or just love your furry kids as much as I do, please check out the work of Christy Caplan on LinkedIn. Again, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. You can find me right here on LinkedIn, or you can schedule your 30-minute free vocal consultation at laurahandke.com. Thanks for joining me for this video, and I'll see you again soon.